In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept or decline a draw offer on chess.com. When your opponent offers a draw on chess.com, you'll see a clear prompt on your screen with two buttons, accept and decline. This message usually appears near the board and stays there while it's your turn to decide. Here's how it works, and what to keep in mind as you choose. If you click accept, the game ends immediately as a draw. There's no extra confirmation and no takebacks, so only accept when you're sure you want the result. Your game will close out right away, and you'll see confirmation that the game has been drawn. If you click decline, the offer is dismissed and the game simply continues. There's no penalty or extra message required. Your opponent is notified that the draw was declined, and you just keep playing. You can also decline a draw automatically by making your next move. As soon as you move a piece, any open draw offer from your opponent is rejected, and play carries on as normal. This is especially handy if you want to keep the momentum of the game and don't feel the need to press decline first. A key detail to remember is that the draw offer remains visible only until you either choose accept or decline, or until you make a move. If you're thinking about it, you can leave the prompt on screen for a moment to evaluate the position, but once you play your move, the offer is gone and cannot be accepted afterward. While you're deciding, your clock continues to run just like any other turn. Take the time you need to make a thoughtful choice, but be mindful of your remaining time, especially in faster time controls. Here are a few practical tips as you decide. If the position is balanced, repeating, or likely to trade down into an even endgame, accepting a draw can be a smart, efficient choice. If you believe you have an advantage or want to play for a win, simply make your next move to decline and keep the pressure on. If you're unsure, remember that declining isn't rude. Competitive chess often involves testing positions until the result becomes clear. To recap, when a draw offer appears, accept ends the game as a draw immediately. Decline keeps the game going, and making your next move automatically rejects the offer as well. The offer stays on screen until you choose or move, so act with intention and watch your clock.